Hi everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna learn how to draw ice cream. As always, I'm just gonna use a plain piece of paper. I'm gonna use my mechanical pencil. I'm gonna use an eraser if I need one. I'm gonna use a Sharpie to outline everything, and then I'm gonna use markers to color. The first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna draw this top scoop. And to do that, we're going to start with a half circle. I'm going to pick a spot where I want to start, and I'm going to draw a half circle. We use pencils so that if we make any mistakes, we can correct ourselves, erase, and then fix it. I think that's pretty good. Once you have your half circle, we're going to draw these lines. And they're just these other wavy, I guess almost half circles. It's the bottom part of your scoop. Once you have your first half scoop, we're going to draw the second one. The second one is just like the top one, but the top piece of it is hiding underneath the other one. So you'll pick a spot somewhere right here on the side. Imagine this piece, and then to the other side, and once again we're going to draw the squiggly fringe lines on the bottom. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect, it's ice cream, so maybe melting a little bit. The third one is just like the second one, so again you start on the sides. Imagine this thing being here and do the bottom. I'm doing 4 of these lines, but you can do 5. You can do less, you can do more, depending on what fits. Okay, if you'd like to do this little drip, a melting piece, then you're gonna go here on the side and draw it in, just like this. And then you can come in and erase the inside of it. If you don't want the drippy part, just skip it. Or you can add a bunch of drips all over if you've been outside for a long time and your ice cream is melting. Okay, once you have your scoops, we're gonna draw the cone. I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna draw 2 lines going towards each other. Once they get really close together, don't make them cross, just connect them with a soft bottom. Alright, the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Sharpie to outline my whole drawing, and I'm also going to draw these lines across the waffle cone lines. You can also use brown for this. It's going to look really good if you use brown. I'm just going to use black. I'm going to use a black Sharpie. You can, however, use any black marker. You can use a black crayon, colored pencil, or you can skip this step altogether and go straight to coloring. My lines are done. I'm gonna go ahead and color my ice cream. I'm gonna use yellow and orange for the waffle cone, and I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing as I did over there. I'm gonna use this soft light green for my mint ice cream, and I'll use dark brown for the chocolate chips. I'll use a bunch of colors for the sprinkles, and this time I'm gonna make the second one brown. I'm gonna make it chocolate. And the bottom line with this time is going to be strawberry instead of raspberry. So I'm going to use red. Use markers like me, or pencils, crayons. You can even use paint. And then if you do not like vanilla ice cream, don't leave any white ice cream. Color it with red for strawberry. If you only like chocolate ice cream, you can make all 3 scoops brown for chocolate. The last little bit I'm gonna do over here is do the little chocolate chips in my mint ice cream, and pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just drawing in little triangles and then coloring them in. There you have it. I hope you liked my video. If so, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can see my next one. See you soon.